There's no denying that ConvertKit is considered the email marketing tool designed for creators, helping you connect with your audience and grow your business using email marketing. But ConvertKit can honestly do so much more than just send emails and create landing pages. And in this video, I have partnered with ConvertKit, soon to be Kit, to share with you 5 really cool features in ConvertKit that will take your email creation to a whole new level. And be sure to stick around to the end because I also decided to throw in a bonus feature as well. If you haven't checked out ConvertKit, I'll leave a link to them in the description below, as well as the timestamps, but for now, let's get straight into this video. Starting with this incredible app called Wordsmith. Now, while ConvertKit has several great apps, which I'll leave a link in the description below for you to browse, Wordsmith really stood out for me based on the fact that it's the first AI newsletter platform built exclusively for YouTube creators, where it automatically turns your YouTube videos into email newsletters. By using Wordsmith, you can easily alert your subscribers of new video drops and roundups to increase viewership on your YouTube videos. Wordsmith also helps provide additional content and context to your audience that perhaps might be better communicated in text format over video format. So it's also really a great way to start directly selling to your audience, as it has been shown that there is a 2x conversion rate of products sold via email versus the YouTube platform itself. So to start turning your YouTube videos into newsletters, you will need to click the Wordsmith app and log in to your ConvertKit account. Next, you will need to sync your YouTube channel to Wordsmith, and it will ask you to click on your preferred YouTube videos to train Wordsmith to create a style guide based on the tone, voice, and personality of your videos. When that is all set up, you can decide on the newsletter theme that you most like and either edit and tweak it in ConvertKit, or you can simply create a broadcast ready to send to your newsletter list. This is such a useful tool that saves a lot of time while still being able to share your message and work with your audience, because I remember how I used to send so many newsletters to share my YouTube videos with my audience, and it would probably take me about an hour to craft a summary of the video and include and link all the right graphics for each newsletter. But thankfully, with an app like Wordsmith, it can take care of such tasks in literally just minutes. The second really cool feature that I wanted to mention that you may not be too familiar with is ConvertKit's commerce feature. ConvertKit makes it super easy to create and sell products directly through their platform. They have one of the lowest transaction fees in the market, which are 3.5% plus 30 cents inclusive of credit card fees. Additionally, ConvertKit automatically tags customers by the products that they've purchased, so it makes it really easy to segment and communicate with your customers. You can sell things like digital downloads, private newsletters, and so much more. But what I love most about the commerce feature is the fact that you can actually embed your product to show up aesthetically and seamlessly in your newsletters, making it super easy to sell your products in this fashion. To do this, you'll simply go to broadcast or newsletter that you wish to embed this product in, click the plus button and scroll until you find the product, then pick the product that you wish to embed. Alternatively, you can use the slash key for the search bar to pop up. You can start typing product and click the product from there. Then you'll be able to customize how the product shows up on your newsletter, and just like that, you'll have a beautiful product seamlessly embedded for your readers to check out. If you're looking to spruce up your email newsletters in a way that is a little bit more visually engaging, ConvertKit has a really cool feature where you can turn the videos that you embed from your YouTube, Wistia, or Vimeo in your newsletters into a 15-second GIF. Or is it GIF? In order to create this GIF though, you'll first need to embed the video into your email. So to do this, you'll go to the Send menu, click Broadcast, then click New Broadcast. Here you'll write your email as per usual, then you'll click the plus button and then select video. Here you'll have two options. You can paste the URL to your video, and ConvertKit will embed the video straight from your video source. You'll need to make sure that the video is public though. To create your GIF, you will need to toggle the Show GIF Preview button on, and depending on how long your video is, ConvertKit will generate your 15-second GIF. If you want to edit the 15-second section that shows up, you will just click Edit in the top right-hand corner of the preview window and drag the marker to the section that you want as the 15-second GIF. As per any other section of your newsletter, you can adjust the alignment, colors, and width, etc. Alternatively, if you're not hosting a video on YouTube, Wistia, or Vimeo, you can also have the option to upload the video directly in ConvertKit. However, it usually makes the most sense to have the video embedded from a platform like YouTube, especially if this is a piece of content that you're wanting to get views on. There might be times when you're sending emails and some recipients don't open your email. Now, this could be due to a number of factors, such as your email either going to the promotions folder, or they simply overlooked your email in their inbox, and other reasons in general could be that your email has gone to spam. If you do see that your email campaigns have been unopened by some people on your email list, you can easily resend your email campaigns within a week to subscribers who have not opened your email yet. To do this, you'll simply go to your preferred broadcast, click View, then click the 3 dots in the top right-hand corner and click Resend to Unopened. This is a really great way for you to increase the chances of your audience seeing your content with just a click. If you're into efficiency or love to use keyboard shortcuts similar to those in programs like Notion or even on your Mac device, you'll really find ConvertKit's quick find feature super useful. If you need to find something quickly, you can simply hit Command K or Control K in your ConvertKit account. You'll pull up a search bar that allows you to quickly navigate to the place that you need to. You can either start to type what you're looking for or scroll through the top menu bar where you can navigate through the different options. Now, this bonus feature is really cool, and I just literally learned about this within one of the recent ConvertKit emails that I received, and that is about alias emails. You might be wondering, why on earth do you need an alias email? Well, it might be because you've signed up to your own form or landing page to test, and that is a really great way to verify exactly what a new subscriber will experience when they sign up to your list. But here's the thing, you only have so many email addresses to use for testing, and that's where email aliases can help. Email aliases are a convenient way to basically pretend that you're using a new email address while still receiving the emails to the same inbox. So all you have to do to enable this feature is add a plus sign and then some text at the end of the first part of your email. So let's say your email is johndoe@gmail.com. While you're testing, you can use johndoe+1@gmail.com, johndoe+formtest@gmail.com, johndoe+I'mACreator@gmail.com. You get the idea. There is one thing to note, and that is that many major email providers, including Gmail and G Suite addresses, do support email aliases, but not all of them do, so you'll just need to double check whether this is supported by your email provider before using this trick. So as you can see, ConvertKit is so much more than just a hub to send emails. There are so many more awesome integrations, apps, and other features ConvertKit has to offer, so I highly recommend you check them out via my link in the description below and try them for yourself. If you found this video interesting or useful, please remember to like, subscribe, and share with a brand or creator with whom you think this would really help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.